Hello everybody, we do adaption. Switch off ignition. Okay. So we did switch off ignition because we're doing now online coding. The screen is a little bit dirty, but it's not so big problem. So here you can see the ECU is completely adapted. Start gen, let idle, press complete. So let's go ahead and let's do it. The click, we don't have immobilizer anymore. Perfect. The car is started, all good, all running nice. And let it idle. So we're done. The engine must run for adaption. So the engine is running now. We have going adaption process. So the engine control runs pretty good. This is a 2012 1.8 petrol engine. This is the used ECU. We here have some tricks. This the old ECU was completely bad. Here we have. That's the old one. As you can see, the problem was with the pins. The corrosion, the pin is broken, as you can see. Another one is getting even worse. So if we try to bend this thing, yeah, it bends pretty easy because it's bad as well. Look, it's falling off already. So yes, this is the problem. This is the pin which one we get it out from the plugs. So let's go ahead and see what we need. We need now a switch ignition off for 50 seconds. So let's go ahead and do it. Just click that button. We don't have a immobilizer light on anymore because when they're replacing ECU, you usually have IMO on. So let's go ahead and just click the done and continue. And let's wait. There we can see the time is running. Do we need 50 seconds? Yes. And we're waiting till that adaption gonna run through. So the all elements from the engine is adapt, and from all car altogether is adapt to the electronic control unit. This doing is onlyest way is online coding, because this ECU, which one is Bosch, MED 17.5.2 hardware version 0.4 Motronic. These Bosch control units cannot be cloned with any of tools. It's not doing a cache, K-tag, and DIM Sport is not doing as well the cloning job. You can do a tuning and stuff like that, but you cannot clone them, because onlyest way how to adapt them is through the online coding and online adaptions job. So here you can see switch ignition on. So let's go ahead and do it. Just click the button in. Information system Volkswagen. It's okay, it's ignition on. So let's go ahead and click the done continue button, start engine, and let it run at idle. So let's go ahead and do it. Just press that button in. Perfect. The car is running okay. Lovely. So we can click done continue button, and coolant temperature 42 degrees, engine speed increase speed for approximately 3000 rpm until the coolant temperature has increased to the 80 degrees. So let's go ahead and do it. We have to increase to the 3000. We can hold a little bit more, it doesn't matter so much, as long as we get the temperature what we need. As you can see, we can see the actual value. Engine speed 43 degrees, 44. The temperature is going up. Perfect. So let engine continue running. Perfect. So what is next? The sequence can be cancelled by pressing the continue button. Brakes full load and press. So only for information in case it's functional. No, it's not. All good. So we just go ahead and click continue button. Release brake and accelerator pedal. so we did relays. The short test had no results. Okay, perfect. So all running good now. We have the acceleration and we don't have any faults, so the coding is completely done online. And so you see the problem why we're doing that. The ECU is completely bad, and the problem why we do online, because these ECUs cannot be cloned. It's only a way just adapt them online. So we need to figure out all that other stuff, just put that ECU back in place. The problem why this ECU goes wrong and why you have a corrosion is because the rain is coming right through these plastics. Because the plastics is split in here, the water coming from the windscreen, and the water goes right onto the ECU. His ECU is located like that inside, and the water goes right in, and that's why you have so big corrosion and big problems with the car. This is only probably for 2012 year made Volkswagens. I don't know about the diesel engines, probably they have the same problem if the ECU is located there. I don't know, you can pack it with some kind of plastic cover on or stuff like that, as long as there is not getting a rotor in. So at this point we're gonna finish. I would say thanks for watching, leave a like, comment, subscribe on our channel, and good luck with your ECU coding and online adoption.